I'm Shaynna Blaze and welcome to my country home.
Welcome to Insider Style with Winston. I'm Holly and today I'm joined by one of Australia's top interior designers, the Block Judge and Celebrity Apprentice winner, Shaynna Blaze. So tell me how you came to purchase this beautiful home in Kyneton and how you got started with Country Home Rescue.
Well, we've been looking for, I think maybe 5 or 6 years for acreage around Mount Macedon. And then Kyneton used to come up in the search. But my kids wrote a movie and we looked around for a film set and this house kept popping up. And I ended up purchasing the house as a film set and then I was going to quickly flip it. But when we were in the house, there was just something pretty phenomenal about it. Even though it was run down, needed a bit of work, it just felt good. So we decided to turn it into our family home in the country.
Beautiful. What was it about the home that really drew you in and made you want to keep it?
Well, it's the Victorian era and that is my love. I absolutely love Victorian architecture. And it was a rambling house and it had some beautiful pressed metal ceilings. It had some gorgeous original features. It looked like a massive project and it was just something I was just ready to sink my teeth into.
Speaking of that work, what did it involve? What changes did you make?
Well, the front part of the house was pretty much as it is, so the shape is exactly the same, but I just changed the use of most of the rooms. And at the back, I've done a double car garage with some guest accommodation there as well. It's a pretty big house on a normal sized block.
It sounds fantastic. In your job, you see some of the most beautiful homes in Australia and design some of them. When it comes to designing a home for yourself, how do you pinpoint your style? What is the Shaynna Blaze style?
I think that's a really important thing because it's very personal. It's not a show home and it's actually about the things that I love and how I've done it for me. So for me, it's about high skirtings, big architraves, big ceilings, lots of beautiful architectural details. I like the rooms to have a character and so I don't like each room to look the same.
You're obviously surrounded by beautiful design in your work. Where do you find inspiration?
I've actually sort of like collated inspiration over my lifetime. So observation is one of my favourite things. So whether it's through going to a gallery, travelling, but when I travel or when I find things that I love, I look at the feeling. What am I feeling in this space? What makes me feel so good about that? I want to grab that feeling of when I was travelling and bring it back to my home.
And how did you bring some of those feelings to life here?
Well, the biggest one was in my bedroom. So my bedroom, I wanted it to be an oasis. And then the master ensuite, I wanted it to really sort of feel like it was my own. It was a signature sort of thing where someone would walk in and go, oh, wow, that's you. Sometimes the inspiration doesn't have to make sense to somebody else, but the inspiration has to make sense as you slowly build all the blocks together.